This is a fabric laminated roller shade using room darkening shade cloth. The shade is powered by a wire-free tubular motor with a rechargeable built-in lithium-ion battery. The handheld remote control has a favorite position. R-TEC Automation by Rolly. Hi, I'm Donna Cash, and I'm going to show how to assemble an R-TEC Automation wire-free tubular shade motor by Rolly. This motor has a rechargeable built-in lithium-ion battery and is available to fit tube sizes from 1 1/8 to 2 inches. The wire-free tubular shade motor requires a battery charger. Prior to the first use of your shade, you must fully charge the battery. Simply plug the receptacle from the charger into the motor, plug the charger into the wall for at least 6 hours, and then you're ready to go. To assemble the shade motor, you'll need a tube, the motor, a pin end, and the drive set. The first thing that we'll need to do is place the ring onto the motor, and there's a little groove inside the ring that we're going to line up with the motor. There we go. And then we'll take the other end and place it over the other end of the motor. And then we need to place the clip on to keep everything in place. There we go. Next, we need to attach the motor adapter to the end of the motor simply by lining up the screw holes between the adapter and the motor itself. And then we'll take the tube and align the grooves in the tube with the indentations on the drive. And slide it into the tube. And then we're going to do the same thing with the ring. Make sure we've got everything lined up. There. And lastly, we're going to take the pin end, line up our grooves, and place the pin end into the tube. And now we've got a shade motor complete and ready to attach to our shade.